Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 6, and its title is Caterpillar Garden. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 1B, under the title of grammar, my dear students, we will learn about substitution word. What are substitution words? Okay, before in English for grade 1, my dear students, already you have learned about substitution words. I hope you remember it. If you will not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further about it, how we can distinguish between and use substitution words. So now we will learn how we can use substitution words in our speech and writing. So my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ikhlas, verse number 1 to 4, say, He is Allah who is one, Allah the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to him any equivalent. Subhanallah, my dear students. Do you know that these are the verses of Surah Ikhlas? In these verses, there is just all qualities of Almighty Allah, that how He is, He neither begets nor is born. Okay, He is the only one. Okay, we have to worship Him and we have to prostrate Him, my dear students. So He is one and only, and He is just Almighty Allah. He is one. Okay, He is the only one, my dear students. If we need anything, so definitely we have to beg in front of Him. If we want to get any wish, so we have to cry in front of Him, just in front of Him, my dear students. Okay, so their word He. Do you know that? Yes, we are going to learn today about such type of words. What are substitution words and what are subjective substitution words? Do you know that what are substitution words? Okay, if you have any idea in your mind, because already we have learned in our grade 1, my dear students, so pause the video and respond to your teacher and then come back. Good job. Welcome back. Good, my dear students. So let's see what are substitution words. Okay. A substitute word is a type of a word that replaces a noun, means naming words such as she, he, you, they, we, I, and it. We can only use substitute words to replace a naming word when we have already referred to the naming word at an earlier point. Noun mean naming words, my dear students. No need to be confused. Okay. So substitution word, my dear students, when we want to replace a naming word, so we use substitution word. Okay. There are substitution words like I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. Got it? So these are called substitution words, and we use them to replace the naming word. Okay, so let's see in examples how we can replace them. Substitution words take the place of nouns, mean naming words. He. Yes, my dear students, always we use he for a person, okay, but for a male person, for boy, for a man, okay. For male person we use he, like he is studying. And she we use for a person, same like that, but for a female person. It can be a lady, it can be a female, it can be a girl, a woman. Is it clear that we use she for girls, woman, and it, we use it for things. When we want to refer things, when we want to highlight things, point out things. So what we use, which substitution word we use? We use it. Have you got that? Good job. So let's see next. Example is there. Saba reads in class 2. Okay, Saba is a naming word, my dear students. So how we have replaced, and who is Saba? Saba is a girl. So yes, its substitution word will be She is an intelligent girl. Yes, now she is referring back to Sabah. Got it? Next is Ahmed is a nice boy. So boy is a, yes, naming word. He likes to help others. Now he is being referred back to Ahmed because Ahmed is a boy, a male. Have you got that? Where we have to replace substitution word she and how we have to replace the substitution word he. Is it clear, my dear students? So next, see there, the goat has 4 legs. Okay, the goat has 4 legs. This is a thing and a living thing. So how we have replaced? It has 2 horns too. These are horns, 2 horns too. So it is being referred to goat. Okay, the goat has 4 legs. It has 2 horns too. Now you have got that? Good. The parents look happy. They love the baby. Yes. Now we have replaced parents with they. Why? Yes, because parents are plural. So definitely we have to use plural substitution word. Got it? Because there is S. Parent is a plural word, naming word. So definitely we had to use plural substitution word. So have you got that, my dear students? Next, see there. We are baking cupcakes. See there. How many persons are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 naming words we replaced. So definitely we have to use we. And we is being used for plural naming words. Have you got? Yes. You are going skating this afternoon. Yes, this is skating and you. Is it clear that? Have you got that? You is a substitution word. In this way, we replace different naming words according to the gender, okay, and according to their number. Now we are moving towards an activity. It's an activity time. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, what you have to do in this activity, you will divide the class into 2 groups. One group will read a few passages from a storybook or any other book. The other group will listen and keep noting down the pronouns that occur in those particular passages. Okay, you have to read passages from your any book and group will underline the substitution words from this passage. Okay, you have to perform this activity. And the next, the speed of reading has to be kept short to let the other group pick and write substitution words. Repeat the activity by changing the sides of the group. The group that writes more pronouns like substitution words in a given time can be awarded a small treat or gift. So this is a competition between 2 groups, my dear students and my dear teacher. You have to create competitions. You can give any passage from any book. They will highlight and they will underline different substitution word from this passage. Okay, so that group will win. That group will be awarded by a gift from your teacher. Okay, so pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good. I hope you have done it nicely and now you have got that how we can replace different naming words with different substitution words. Good job. Next, open your book now on page number 50. Okay, now we are going to do, there is question number 5. Rewrite the given story in your notebook using substitution words in places of underlined words. The words are underlined. You have to replace them by using substitution words in your notebook. Okay, this passage you will again write in your notebook by the using of substitution words. So this activity you have to perform individually in your class. Pause the video and perform this activity. Welcome back. Good job. Good job, my dear students. Now you are being quick, mashallah. Good. So what's your homework for today? You have to write 10 sentences using subjective substitution words, my dear students. And yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students, and so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge they have got about the use of substitution words. So what we have covered? We have covered to distinguish between the use of substitution words. We also learned that substitution words replace naming words, and in this way we have covered up this SLO. So my dear students, I hope you have got about the use of substitution words, that how we can replace different naming words by the use of substitution words. So I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot, and tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon. Till that time, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.